We'll guide you through how to fix schedule option not showing on Instagram. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because scheduling Instagram posts helps them save time, stay consistent, and manage content more efficiently. First, go to the Play Store or App Store on your device and wait for the application page to load completely. After that, tap the search bar at the top of the screen so you can begin searching for the app. Then, type Instagram carefully into the search field and select the official Instagram application from the results shown on your screen. Before opening the app, make sure your Instagram application is updated to the latest version so all features, including scheduling posts, are available and working correctly. Next, open the Instagram application once the update has finished installing. When the login page appears, type in your email address first in the correct field provided. Next, type down your password carefully to avoid login errors or account access problems. After that, press the login button to log into your Instagram account successfully and wait for the home page to appear. Next, locate the plus button on the top left section of the screen and tap it to start creating a new post. Make sure you are in the post section before continuing so the content will be uploaded as a regular Instagram post. Then, select any kind of photos or videos you want to post from your gallery or device storage. Here, you can also set audio or apply filters to improve the appearance of your post before uploading it. Once you are satisfied with the edits, press Next to continue. After that, scroll down and tap the More Options section to open additional posting settings. Finally, turn on the Schedule This Post option and choose the exact date and time you want your post to be published automatically on Instagram. Before finishing, review every detail of your post to make sure everything looks correct and ready for publishing. Double-check the scheduled date and time so your post appears when you want your followers to see it. Once all settings are confirmed, leave the app or return to the home page because Instagram will automatically publish the post on the selected schedule without needing any action from you.